What's up, everyone? It's me, and I'm back again with another unboxing and demo review. A little different today. Again, everyday living stuff, and I picked up this steam cleaner unit off of Amazon on sale for $1.99 as of the creation of this video. Let's open this guy up and have a look, give it a test, and see where we go. It is the Dupray steam cleaner. The instructions put right on the actual packaging. Take a look at that in a bit. What we've got here, so we've got a box of accessories. There's all the nozzles and tips and cloths and stuff in there. Just like that. And you can see on the end there is a looks like a compressed air compressor, compressed water pressure tip. The actual hose, which is the handle, I can lift it up right there, and we can get a closer look. Has wheels, and I was questioning on how short that cord was there, because it was like you got like maybe a foot sticking out, but if you take it and you lift it under, you can see it's all curled up, coiled up underneath, and a little cool cord holder, which is convenient. Let's have a look at what's inside the neat accessories. A squeegee wand, some terry cloth mop heads there, and towels, right? There's the instruction manual. It comes with this triangular brush wand piece. This looks like the mop headpiece. That holds these guys, so that would just pass under there like that. And then we've got the precision tip stuff, so this is interesting here. We're going to get into precision cleaning. A couple of different brush heads. Several brush heads there. One with the actual, like a brass brush, and a bunch of these nylon tip brush heads. So that's cool. And this looks like it is the brush head nozzle. So you take that and just mount that on there, like so, and go to town on that. So that's it for now. We're gonna fire this guy up and see how well it works.
doesn't have the sucking thing?
Well, no, it's not a vacuum. Let's see.
You have to like throw in this garlic.
Yeah. We're a little wet.
Well, you can use cloth. So at least you don't. Wow.
Look at that. That is what has come off of that already. This is a sample, and you can kind of see it already. Like here is the spot. Right here. I think that is a huge thumbs up there on the clean job. It's looking pretty good. It's looking really good. So that's it, guys. That's for the video for today, and that is the Dupray steam cleaner Neat. It's actually called the Neat. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope that's helpful. I'll see you on the next video.